How cute. Woo! Didn't expect to see you both here.
Just accept it already. She dumped you for me. At tinapon ka niya sa basurahan na parang wala kang kwenta, Rocky boy. Just take it like a man.
Ikaw, sinulot mo siya. Ha? Diyan ka magaling, di ba? And you! You cheated on me! Ano naman yan?
Hey,
bastos ka!
ruin our night, Rocky boy.
Ay,
Unless you want me to ruin yours.
I'm going to the ladies' room.
I'll go with you. Akala ko ba okay na tayo? Ha? Akala ko ba patas na tayo pagkatapos ng party ko? What the hell is this, Rocky boy? Isa pa. Bakit ba baliw na baliw ka kay Andre? Let me take a wild guess, Rocky boy. Wala kang mahanap na papatos sa'yo, no?
salamat ka. Di pa ako lasing.